Hello everyone, welcome back to Mrs. Dre Food Channel. Well, today we are going to show you how to make a very tasty and simple tomatoey chunky egg stew, and we enjoyed it with potatoes. So if you are interested in knowing how to prepare this stew, please keep on watching and let's get started. For this recipe you need 5 scotch bonnets, 5 garlic cloves, 3 medium-sized chopped onion, and about 130 grams ginger. I have here 1 small packet of salted fish. I have 3 cut onions. I'm going to use 1 Maggi and 1 Maggi shrimp, and I'm going to add about 15 eggs. And of course you need some vegetable oil. We are going to use sardines and mackerel. We are going to use 2 cans of tomato puree and 3 cans of chopped tomatoes, and also some salt to taste. We are also going to add medium curry powder. So first thing first, add your onion, ginger, garlic cloves and pepper in your blender. Blend it until very smooth. Do add oil if you don't have a good blender. Keep that aside and pour about 1 cup of oil in a cooking pot. Let it to heat up. When the oil is hot enough but not burning, add in the 3 chopped onions. Saute the onion for about 3 minutes and then add in the salted fish. We let the salted fish in water for about 45 minutes just to reduce the amount of salt. Stir it and leave it to cook for about 3 minutes. Next, you can add in the tomato puree. So we are using 2 cans of tomato puree, which is 142 grams each, but you can use less if you want. Okay, now stir it and leave it to cook for about 2 minutes. This is how it looks like after 2 minutes. Next, add in the pepper mixture and let it cook for about 3 minutes. Now we are going to blend our chopped tomatoes, which is 3 cans. Blend it until very smooth. Now add it to the stew, stir it and leave it to cook for about 20 minutes on a slow heat. In the meantime, break 10 eggs in a bowl, add in a little bit of salt and also about half a teaspoon of curry and beat it. We are going to add in the remaining eggs separately. Now you can also add some salt to your stew and add in your Maggi cubes, which is the usual Maggi and the Maggi prawn or crayfish, and stir it. You can now drizzle in the eggs and then add in the remaining 5 eggs. If you do not want to use 15 eggs, please use less than that, but we want a chunky stew. Now leave it to cook for about 1 minute and then stir it gently, okay, very gently, and leave it to cook again for about 7 minutes. Now add in your mackerel and sardine. So we have 3 of each, and stir it. Now add in about 1 tablespoon of curry. If you want to add another spice, please go ahead. Stir it and leave it to cook for another 5 minutes on the lowest heat possible. Okay, and this is your stew here, and you can see the chunky bits of eggs. All right guys, this was our tomatoey egg stew, chunky egg stew, and we enjoyed it with our boiled potatoes. It also goes well with yam, with rice, with plantain, with whatever you like. So we hope you enjoyed watching this video, and we will see you next time for another jewelry recipe. Thank you and bye bye.